Bienvenidos a su canal de nuevo. Muchísimas gracias por quedarte conmigo en este nuevo año 2018. Hoy les traigo un video muy divertido. Espero que les gusten. De hecho, es el primero que he hecho algo así. Así que quédate conmigo, tráete tu café, algo rico y sabroso para comenzar. Bueno, mis amores, en este video les traigo mi esposo narra mi maquillaje. Algo diferente, usualmente yo soy la que estoy hablando, pero quise hacerlo para cambiar un poquito la dinámica en mi canal. Espero que les guste, yo las dejo con el video y regreso a despedirme.
Ok, chicas, ¿listas? Vamos a maquillar con mi esposa bellísima Alma. Primero, I didn't see. Oh, lotion, crema. Crema en la cara. Oh, qué guapa, wow. Let's just put that everywhere. This one's called Better Skin. Es para piel mejor. In the name of the Father, the Son. Oh, she's just, you're just putting it on your face. You're so silly. I assume you're just gonna spread that. Oh, that's a brush. Ay, Alma, que sucio. Mezcla, mezcla, mezcla. Let's just put it everywhere. All right. Oh, you're already looking so pretty. So pretty. Que bonita. Chicken dance, chicken dance, chicken dance, chicken dance. Oh, my favorite chicken dance. Ooh, what do we have here? You're acting like you're surprised, but you already know you're holding Jordana Sculpt and Go Creamy Contour Stick. Oh, what? What is that? You are drawing a face. Okay. And we're gonna mix that. Mezcla, mezcla. Because we like to mezcla. Brown or white? We're gonna go with white. Okay. I thought we were gonna pick the one on the left. I don't see a difference. No veo nada. Oh, wait. Oh, I do. Oh. I guess all that mixing and mezclando did a... Okay. This one is a square. We're going to use a brush. And vamos a poner. Oh, now I'm starting to see. It looks very pretty. Wow, this is magical. Oh, I know what this is for. This is for the eyelashes. Para las cejas. Al primer, la derecha, do the right eye. Good job, baby. Wait, what about the left eye? What about the left eye? You forgot the left eye, babe. Okay, we're going to do lash sensational. All right. Here we go. Don't poke your eye. Oh, so pretty. Looks nice. Let's put that on. Don't stab yourself in the eye. Oh, okay, let's do the right eye, even though we forgot to curl it, but that's okay, because we're still pretty, and I don't know the difference. Oops! Uh-oh, we made a mistake. Now we got to start all over again. Or not. Oh, wow, it disappeared. It's like a magic trick. Okay. Ooh. Perfect. You're brushing your eyebrows. Brow power. All right, I know what this is for. I'm guessing this is for the lips. Yep, I was right. Oop, I tooted. Just kidding. Chiste. Chiste. There we go. Oh, can't see. No veo nada. Here we go. All right. I don't see. Okay. You're filling in your eyebrows. Oh. I don't even know what that is, but I know it's by Elf. Here we go. Oh, it's an eyebrow brush. Oh, wow. That looks really good, babe. Oh, so pretty. Look, this looks like a flower. I'm guessing it's blush. And we're going to add it to our face, I'm assuming. There we go. Rosy cheeks, rosy cheeks. Cheeks rosas, cheeks rosas. I don't know how to say cheeks. Oh, which color should I use? Let's use all of them. I was right, see? And we're putting it all on. Perfect. Perfecta. Que bellísima. Oh, I see a pimple. Veo un pimple. Vamos a borrar el pimple. Get the pimple away. Make the pimple go away. She's going to make the pimple go away. Oh, see, it's gone. Oh, wait, no, that's just the other side. Oh, I see. You're putting highlights. Okay, highlights. I know what that is. Those are highlights. And we're gonna do the lips. We're not using lipstick. We're using a lip liner. Yep. Se llama un lip liner. Crayola de Gabi. Perfect. That's lipstick. Yeah. I know what that's for. That's for the lips. Yep. See? I'm right. Ah, qué buena. Estoy poniendo lipstick. ¿Cómo se llama lipstick en español? Labial? Yep, labial. Estoy poniendo labial. Oh, here we go again with the eyebrow curler. Oh, there's, it's a little cooking, babe. You got it. There we go. Oh, still cooking. Oh well, let's go into the left. Make it last. This is water. It costs $10. And I'm just going to spray it all over everywhere but my face. Yep, the room's going to last, but not my face. But that's okay, because you're still beautiful. Ay, qué bonita. So pretty.
Bueno, mis amores, si tú eres una de las chicas que se quedó hasta el final viendo el video, muchísimas gracias. Hoy le quiero mandar saluditos a mis chicas que me comentan en Instagram. La primera va para Janina 1984, para Claudia Camacho 35325 y para Mabel Gab. Muchísimas gracias, amores míos, por dejarme sus likes, sus comentarios en mis fotitos, en todas mis redes sociales. Ustedes ya saben que yo aprecio mucho, mucho que me regalen su tiempo, tanto aquí en ver mis videos como en mis otras redes sociales. Recuerda que en la cajita de información les dejo los enlaces de mi canal de vlogs, de mis redes sociales y de los videos anteriores. Amores, eso es todo por este video. Espero que lo hayan disfrutado, que les haya gustado. Recuerda comentar lo que te nazca de tu ronco pecho. Ustedes saben que me encanta leer sus comentarios, los aprecio y se los contesto los más que pueda. Y pues bueno, mis amores, nos estamos viendo muy pronto. Regresa para ver más videos míos. Y recuerda, dile no a la fodonguez, dile no a la flojera. Seguimos con los ejercicios, con los retos. Este nuevo año es nuestro año, chicas. Aquí estoy yo para animarlas y pues ustedes son mi motor para seguir adelante y haciendo cositas bonitas en este canal. Gracias a todas ustedes que regresan y ven mis videos. Les mando muchos besos, muchos abrazos. Que Dios me las cuide siempre. Bye.